Hello everyone, welcome back to the Factzee. Today we will see some facts about the space. Everyone loves space, right? Yes, let's move on to the video. There is floating water in space. It is said that astronomers have found a massive water vapor cloud which holds 150 trillion times the mass of water in the Earth's oceans somewhere around 10 billion light years away, making it the largest discovery of water ever found. Remarkably enough, the find was dated as being 12 billion light years away, only 1.6 billion light years farther from the Big Bang. The water cloud was found to be in the central regions of a faraway quasar, and a lot of it, I might add. Quasars are the most powerful known entities in space, with this particular one pumping out 1000 trillion times more energy than our Sun and 65,000 times the whole of the Milky Way galaxy. While water vapors are known to be found throughout the universe, it's not that common of a sight. In the Milky Way, water vapor surfaces are found only in particular regions, a few light years across at most. However, the water in the distant quasar appears to be spread over hundreds of light years. The moon was once a piece of the earth. The theory is that when Earth was a relatively young planet, it was struck by a giant object, and this collision broke a piece of the Earth away to create the Moon. This piece began to orbit the Earth as a result of its gravitational pull. There are three theories: the fission theory, the capture theory, and the condensation theory. The fission theory proposes that the Moon was once part of the Earth and somehow separated from the Earth early in the history of the solar system. The present Pacific Ocean basin is the most popular site for the part of the Earth from which the Moon came. This theory was thought possible since the Moon's composition resembles that of the Earth's mantle, and a rapidly spinning Earth could have cast off the Moon from its outer layers. The capture theory proposes that the Moon was formed somewhere else in the solar system and was later captured by the gravitational field of the Earth. The Moon's different chemical composition could be explained if it formed elsewhere in the solar system. However, capture into the Moon's present orbit is very improbable. Something would have to slow it down by just the right amount at just the right time, and scientists are reluctant to believe in such fine tuning. Also, this hypothesis does not have a natural explanation for the extra baking the lunar material has received. The condensation theory proposes that the Moon and the Earth condensed individually from the nebula formed the solar system, with the Moon formed in orbit around the Earth. However, if the Moon formed in the vicinity of the Earth, it should have nearly the same composition. Specifically, it should possess a significant iron core, and it does not. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will permanently bond. This amazing effect is known as cold welding. It happens because the atoms of the individual pieces of metal have no way of knowing that they are different pieces of metal. So the lumps join together. This doesn't happen on Earth because the oxygen in our atmosphere forms an extremely thin film of oxidized metal on every exposed surface. The footprints on the Moon will be there for 100 million years. The Moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. This means the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with the spacecraft prints, rover prints, and the discarded material, will be there for millions of years. An astronaut's footprint can last a million years on the surface of the Moon. It may have been decades since we last set foot on the Moon, but its surface is still marked with the historic footprints of the 12 astronauts who stormed across it. There may be a planet made out of diamonds. As space facts go, this is pretty impressive. Research by Yale University scientists suggests that a rocky planet called 55 Cancri E, which has a radius twice Earth's and a mass 8 times greater, may have a surface made up of graphite and diamond. It's 40 light years away but visible to the naked eye in the constellation of Cancer. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends to spread the wisdom, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.